Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video. On Floki, we're going to do a full update. Yesterday, I was bullish on Floki, but I was not near as bullish enough as I should have been, because in the end, I think we rallied like 30% higher, which is ridiculous. About that, like 33%. Because what we said yesterday, to do a quick recap, the price was still down here. We just had gotten a bullish breakout. So what I said is that, all right, well, more bullish momentum is definitely most likely in these market circumstances with all the fundamentals for Floki and with that technical confirmation that was most likely. My main price target, though, was this level between 20,000 and 21,000. And what I said is that, all right, if we hit that level, we'll look at it again and we'll kind of decide what's most likely from there. But now this morning I looked at it because I hadn't looked at it too much yesterday. And it was way up there, all right? So super bullish right now. And in general, I mean, I'm very positive on Floki. I've said this before in last videos, but Floki was always the one crypto I wanted to accumulate. I never did because I always bought other cryptos. But when you asked me what the best meme coin was, Floki was definitely in my top 3. I still think Floki, Dogecoin and Pepe are the best meme coins to have. Maybe something Solana related as well, but I do think you need to accumulate some meme coins. And right now, at this valuation for Floki, it's at a 2.4 billion market cap. We might get some spikes down. I mean, that's just a market. We will get some flushes, and you will be able to buy lower. But I would say even at this market cap, and you can see that, by the way, here as well, the funding rates for Floki are still very high. So we will get a spike down at some point of time. But I think long-term, the market cap right now, I wouldn't buy here, but I think long-term, the market cap can still increase by much more. I think Floki is one of the most serious meme coins in the whole meme coin ecosystem. They're backed by DWF Labs. I really like what they're doing with token. So in general, very bullish. Now, we have been very bullish, and we can continue to be very bullish. But the thing is that today we have some fundamentals. And we have a huge token burn around 1 p.m. All right, so that's in, I think that's in 1.5 hours, probably 1 hour if you watch this video. What happens very often, and what I've seen very often, is that you get some sort of a sell the news from that. So I would proceed with caution today. All right, we'll get some volatility. In general, Floki right now is very volatile, of course. But something like this and something like this is great to see for the long term, I think. But short term, this could cause some sort of a sell the news effect. So be careful for that. I mean, if you look at Floki in general, if you look at the charts, what you will see is that the open interest has found some resistance. All right, so the price and the open interest right here, I do think we've met our match in this bigger level between 25,000 and 27,500. Can we rally up higher? Yes. And in general, if I would look at Floki right now, what I would say, the best way to go about this is just look at our main support, which is 24,000, and look at our main resistance, which is 27,500, and wait for one to break out. Because if one of those breaks out, we'll have confirmation. If the top breaks, we'll rally up to 30 and 32,000 probably. If the bottom breaks, then we are probably going to get some sort of a sell the news effect, and we might actually spike down all the way to 20 and 19,000, where we will find support, but still. That's the best way to go about this, all right? If I would have to give you my most likely scenario, based on everything I see right now, it's very hard to be bearish on Floki regarding everything they're doing, regarding their affiliations. It's hard to do that. But if you look at the open interest falling down like this, and that together with a potential sell the news effect, I would say it's a bit more likely, and you should prepare a little bit more for a bearish breakout. All right. So that's what I think is a bit more likely. But like I said, just wait for the breakout. That's the best. Then you have some real confirmation. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.